Group norms develop gradually, after members have had a chance to meet and start working together. In fact, their first interactions have a significant effect on the development of the group's norms. The behaviors they see and the statements they hear in these initial meetings form a framework for how they contribute in the future. Their attitudes and behaviors begin to mimic those of other members, a process that's called social tuning. Once established across multiple members, this framework is resistant to change, allowing the norms to be passed from one generation to the next. Norms also develop implicitly, by observing others, but explicit statements can influence how they form. For example, a leader might discuss expectations about tardiness, breaks, personal business, and conflict with other group members, statements that can then affect the group's unwritten rules. But norms don't regulate every behavior, usually only those that impact the group's success. The content of a group's norms depends, in part, on its members' expectations. Think for a moment about the beliefs students and professors bring with them to each new class. Students know they'll have to read the assigned material, come to class on time, take notes, and study for exams. Professors know they'll need to prepare interesting lectures, create valuable assignments, and grade students' work. As a result, no one has to relearn the expectations of the classroom. So, their experience in previous classes enhances predictability in future ones and decreases the amount of time they have to spend getting comfortable in their new role. Not surprisingly, the content of norms also depends on the group's experiences. For instance, its founder and previous leaders, the challenges it has faced, or the organizational boundaries it has to work within, all influence the development of its norms.